We guide you through how to change your profile picture on Discord mobile in the quickest and simplest way possible. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone and tapping your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and on your user settings page, tap the profile picture again at the top. Now, press Change Avatar and this will open your gallery, where you can select any photo you want to use. After choosing your picture, adjust the crop by zooming or moving the image until it fits perfectly. Once you're happy with it, tap Save or Apply in the top corner, and Discord will instantly update your new profile picture across all your servers and chats. If the new image doesn't show right away, just close and reopen the app. And that's it. Your Discord mobile profile picture is fully updated with just a few quick taps.